In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Wallet Tracker on NovaTrade Plus. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to create an account on Nova Plus. There's a link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment. And if you sign up using my link, you'll get a 20% cashback on all trading fees while trading meme coins. So again, link down below. Make sure you check it out. You will not regret it. So to actually use the Wallet Tracker here, you want to go to the Wallet Tracker up top, which is the third tab. And then in here, you simply want to click on Add Wallet. As you can see, currently I have no tracked wallet, so just click on Add Wallet. And then you first have to choose an emoji, so you can leave it as the default Nova emoji, or you could do a random emoji over here from the list. So we're just going to do this one for now. And then the wallet name is going to be Tutorial for now. Okay, Tutorial, there we go. You can name it whatever you want, of course. And then in here, you want to paste the wallet address. So I just have a random address copied over here. And then whenever you paste it in here, I'm going to click on Add Wallet. And of course, whenever you have your own here, click on Add Wallet as well. And then there we go. Your wallet is going to get added. And in here, you can now basically go ahead and set different things, change the address, change the name. You can remove it, or you could also use this feature to actually mute it or unmute it. And then you'll be able to see over here all the activities on that specific wallet. Okay, so as you can see, this is a very, very good interface over here. It's going to show you everything, the token, the amount, the market cap, the type, remaining on that specific wallet, the action, and then your wallet name as well. Okay, so that's how to actually use the wallet tracker on NovaTrade Plus, and it's actually very, very good. And what's also great is you could be anywhere over here, and you could just click on the wallet tracker button down here at the bottom left, and it's going to pop up on your screen. You could resize it, make it a bit bigger. You could also like move it around wherever you want, and then always keep it on top no matter what you're doing. Okay, so that's pretty much how you use it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.